Hey y'all, I wanted to get on here real quick and do a Saturday morning video that I normally don't do, but I got some stuff going on here in the greenhouse that I wanted to show you guys. It's a lot happening, and yeah, just wanted to show y'all real quick, just a short video. Let's get to it. Well, first, check out all that. Goodness. I already done transplanted a lot of stuff. I got more stuff over here. So since we over here, I'm gonna go ahead and stay over here. Marigolds, look at that. Looking great. Jokers is looking good. So I'm probably gonna leave these in the pot like this, and then just set that pot like around the garden somewhere. And right here are my what you call them, my watermelons. Look at them jokers. So obviously I'm not gonna plant all of these. I'm probably gonna plant like 3 or 4 of each variety. So, but I always, start a whole lot more than that, because I want to get the healthiest, strongest ones to put out there in the ground. Back there we got some herbs. We got our mullein, catnip, bee balm is coming around. All right, I'm excited about this one right here, the St. Kitts Roselle. First time growing it. That's over here in this row right here. First time growing it, and I made some teas. I'll show you the white Roselle that I have. I made some tea out of that last year, so I'm looking forward to this one this year. Borage, I got a ton of borage. I'm not gonna plant all that, but I started a whole bunch and I don't know why. Lemon drop, same thing. That's a whole bunch of lemon drop in there. Stevia, I am looking forward to the stevia. Look at them jokers. They're growing. They small, but they growing. Beets ain't been amounting to much of nothing, but I'm probably just gonna throw these out in the ground and let them do what they do. Now we getting into something over here. So this is the scallop squash. Look at them things. Gentry squash right here. Man. So this is the first time I've grown these specific types of squash. And they're going right here behind me in the backyard garden. Should be pretty fun with those. Look at this. This is a I don't know how to say it, y'all. Y'all know how to say that? If y'all know how to say that, let me know. Because I don't know how to say it. But look at that one. That one's huge. I hear that these vines get really, really long. It's like I'm thinking it's like a winter squash, maybe. And so I'm gonna probably only plant 2 or 3 of those, but I started so many. So a lot of these seedlings I'll probably just give away to neighbors and other people. Cantaloupe. So cantaloupe's tough down here, hard to grow. So any tips or advice, please let me know. I tried last year and I failed. So this is a different type of cantaloupe right here that supposedly is a little bit better down here. And so far so good. Spotty germination though, but they're coming up. Like this one's coming up, this one's coming up, this one's coming up, this one's coming up, that one. So they're all coming up, but it just took the rest of them a lot longer. Now these are sunflowers. I put one of these sunflowers out in the area where I'm planning on putting all of these at. And the reason why I only put one there is because that's where the turkeys were last summer. And I pulled the turkeys out in the fall. And so it's got all that turkey manure down there. And I don't know if it would burn the plant or not still. So I tried it with one. It looks like it's doing great. So in the next few days, I'm probably going to be transplanting the rest of these out there. nasturtiums. Look at those. These jokers are looking good. These zinnias didn't come up, so I don't know what's going on with those. I'm gonna have to probably direct seed some zinnias. This right here is, oh, Seminole pumpkin. I had 2 seeds that a lady down in Florida sent me, and I'm rolling the dice with those 2 seeds. That's all the seeds I got. If those seeds don't work, I'm out of luck with those. So hopefully I get some germination out of those, and I can save some seeds from those Seminole pumpkins. And these are my North Georgia candy roasters right here. I grow these every year. I save seeds from them. These right here are seeds that I saved, so should get a good crop of those. On those as well, all you need is about 1, 2. If you get 3 vines going, then you're gonna get a lot. So because it's very prolific, the vines get really, really long. This right here is seeds that I saved from the white roselle, the white hibiscus. And so I wanted to germinate a few of those. There should be another one coming up right there. Yeah, I wanted to germinate those to see how well they germinate, and then I'm gonna send these seeds out to Backyard Boogie Homestead over there. I'm gonna send some seeds your way, so I'll probably be hitting you up the next day or so. Over here, we still got some celery going. I already transplanted all of these celeries out because they were bigger. So these are catching up. I'll probably transplant these next week. This leaf lettuce, basil, they're struggling a little bit, but they're coming around. All you need is one good one when it comes to basil. So I'm just hoping for one good one. Got some cosmos back there. These cosmos, did I get these from I can't remember if I got these from a subscriber or not. I'm not sure. Morning glories. I'm gonna put these in front of the house. I'm gonna show y'all that. That's gonna be pretty cool. Feverfew. Never grew it before, and seemed like I got some good germination in the back one back there, but not so much up here. That's all right. I'm learning, so we'll see what goes on with that. Over here, I got my peppers. I got peppers and I got tomatoes. So those looking good. I still got a ways off for these right here to go out. I like to wait for my soil to heat up before I throw these in the ground. And yeah, I like to set them up for success. So they're gonna be a little while for these right here go in the ground. And the same thing goes for my watermelon, my cantaloupe. I wait a while before I put those in the ground. I want my soil temp to be 70 degrees, 65, 70 degrees. I will live with 65 degrees, which it's already like 60 degrees, so it's not far off. I'm not growing okra this year, which is like crazy, but I grew okra last year, and I mean, you know, okra does well, but man, you gotta pick that junk like every single day, and like, I wasn't keeping up with it like that. But nah, this is good. This is good. I still got, and I just thought about it today, I still have my cucumbers that I gotta plant. I'm probably gonna direct seed those in the next couple of days or so, maybe even today after I get done with this video. I may go ahead and direct seed those, and then I have to put up another trellis back here for the cantaloupe, because I'm gonna do the cantaloupe back here, and I'm gonna do the candy roasters back here. Okay, so yeah, a lot going on in the greenhouse. So yeah, that's a quick greenhouse tour. You know, just wanted to keep y'all updated. I'll probably do a greenhouse tour every other Saturday and a garden tour every other Saturday. So I'll probably alternate back and forth. That'll get me a third video in every week. And then I'm also thinking about instead of doing any type of videos during the week that I'm like just sitting here talking versus actually, you know, physically doing stuff, I'm probably gonna save those for Saturdays as well. So my 2 videos that come out on Monday and Thursdays are gonna be projects, DIY, whatever I got going on around the homestead. The videos on Saturday, it could be me sitting down there with Asa, you know, talking, or it could be something like this, a greenhouse tour, or a garden tour, something like that. So hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you're growing, what you still got in your greenhouse, what things that I'm missing, you know, that y'all are like, man, you ain't growing this. Let me know. Comment below. Hey, also, if y'all want to swap seeds or whatever, y'all got some seeds you've been saving that you don't mind swapping. I have watermelon seeds that I've been saving. I have different types. I have okra seeds that I've been saving. I got man, I'm gonna list it below in the description, all the seeds that I have available to swap. And hit me up, let me know, leave me a comment and say, hey, you know, all I ask you to do is just leave a comment, say seed swap, and then send me an email, okay? And we can work with it that way and hook up something where, you know, I can send you a few seeds, you can send me a few seeds, and then whoever sends me seeds, I'll definitely grow them, and they'll be here on the channel, and I think that'll be pretty cool. Hope y'all are having a blessed Saturday so far. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.